Dai-divert ni Attorney Torreon sa tunay na motibo ng mga kapulisan sa paghahanap kay Quiboloy, posibleng ipahamak pa ni Quiboloy, kung bakit, alamin po natin. Nito lamang po kasing nakaraang araw nagkaroon ng presscon itong si Torreon sa media hinggil dito sa ongoing na paghahanap kay Quiboloy sa loob ng kay OJC compound at dito nabanggit niya na mayroon daw na nakatagong kayamanan si Quiboloy at mga ginto. Ito ngayon ang pinapalabas ni Torreon na baka raw ang habol lang naman ng mga kapulisan ay hindi si Pastor Quiboloy bagkos ang kayamanan nito. Para po sa mga iba pang pahayag ni Attorney Torreon, panoorin po natin ang kanyang sinabi.
I would like to remind likewise General Marbil that he may be personally accountable likewise here and maybe the good Secretary of Interior and Local Government. Imagine conducting tunneling operations in a school. This is unprecedented in the history of the Philippine Republic. Maybe you are thinking that there are hidden treasures there. Legally, you could not find any legal justification for what you are doing because our laws, Article 438 of the Civil Code, it states, hidden treasure belongs to the owner of the land, building, or other property on which it is found. So if there are indeed hidden treasure there, then who will own it? JMC, not him. No? Nevertheless, when the discovery is made on the property of another or of the state or any of its subdivision, and by chance, one half thereof shall be allowed to the finder. But what they are doing is not by chance. It is purposive. So therefore, no share can be given to the finder. Who will own it if there are indeed hidden treasures there? It will still be JMC. And most importantly, the last sentence of the second paragraph of Article 438, if the finder is a trespasser, he shall not be entitled to any share of the treasure. Sir Marbil, General Torre, no? You are a trespasser. Why? Because your search cannot be validated by an arrest warrant. And if you read Rule 113, Section 11, you did not comply with the requisites, and therefore, you are a trespasser. Even if you find any hidden treasure there, nothing can be part of your share, no? And what else? What if there are indeed golds there? No? Can you have any share there also? No. No, because the law is very clear. If you read Article 439, by treasure is understood for legal purposes any hidden and unknown deposit of money, jewelry, or other precious objects, the lawful ownership of which does not appear. So if it is owned by Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, any gold there, no, the lawful ownership of which belongs to the JMC or KOJC. Nothing would go to the policemen. So I would advise the minors who are pretending to be policemen there, please stop what you are doing, because what you are doing actually is illegal under the law. No? There will be a hearing in the TPO case. No? We will request the judge, no, in accordance with due process. He already issued a TPO and a clarificatory TPO. He required the other party to file their comment within 10 days. We are actually filing this Monday. The 10 days may be too much. No? Can we please have it shortened to 5 days so that they should answer on or before Tuesday? And we should have a hearing on or before Tuesday so that these matters can be clarified. No? And then we would like to respond to the comment of DOJ Undersecretary, who was that DOJ Undersecretary, who said a while ago, around 1 hour ago, Undersecretary Vasquez of the Department of Justice, who remarked that the condition being asked for pastors' surrender cannot be given since the Philippines has an extradition treaty with the U.S. and, quote-unquote, no one in government can give that guarantee, strictly speaking, Yusek Vasquez said. Perhaps Yusek Vasquez may not have been able to read Section 48 of Republic Act 11479, which is actually an amendatory act of Republic Act 9372, which used to be Human Security Act. If you will read that Section 48, there is even a ban on extraordinary rendition. No? So we would like to, perhaps he was not able to stumble upon that provision. It refers even to accused or convicted persons of terrorism. How much more here where my client is charged for lesser crime of anti-human trafficking, serious physical injuries, etc., etc. So it is within our humble view, I may be mistaken, I am just a human being, it is within the President's power to execute a written document that he will not extraordinarily render Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy to the United States of America. It is within his power because a citizen is entitled to...
Yan po mga kabunyog, narinig po natin ang sinabi ni Torion. Mayroon daw na hidden treasure sa ilalim ng compound nila. Binalaan pa niya ang mga pulis na kung matagpuan daw nila ito, hindi nila ito pag-aari. Dahil this is belong daw sa property ni Quiboloy. Yes, tama nga naman dahil property talaga iyan ni Quiboloy. Pero hindi ba naisip ni Torion na pwede isa pa itong way para ma-trigger pa ang ating mga kapulisan at ating gobyerno? Kung bakit nagkaroon ng mga ganito si Quiboloy? Lalong mag-imbestiga ang mga taga-gobyerno at lalong hindi tatantanan itong si Quiboloy at ito pa ang hindi maganda sa mga taga kay OJC dahil sa sinabi ni Torion. Lalong maraming magkaka-interes na hindi naman pulis ang makialam at maghukay din dyan. Hindi lang si Quiboloy ang pinahamak nitong si Torion pati ang mga miyembro nito. Kaya yan po mga kabunyog, dahil sa padalos-dalos na pinagsasabi nitong si Torion pwedeng ipahamak niya ang kanyang amo at worse nito, lalo hindi tatantanan si Quiboloy ng gobyernong Marcos. Tila sa kagustuhan nitong si Torion na lumabas na masama ang mga pulis at tangyaman lang ni Quiboloy ang habol nila, mas lalong pinahamak niya ang kanyang amo. Hindi ba niya iyon naisip? Yan kasi sa kakatanggol mo sa iyong amo, hindi mo na pinag-iisipan ang mga pinagsasabi mo, abogado ka ba talaga? Ang mabuti pa niyan, ilabas na lang ninyo si Quiboloy bago pa lumala ang sitwasyon. Hindi mo ba nakikita ang resulta ng patuloy na pagtatago niya? Marami nang nangyayaring hindi maganda sa inyong lugar at wala na din katahimikan ang kanyang mga miyembro.
May kulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa. Bunyog Party List. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.